Welcome back to day 13 of daily videos. So what we're doing today, we're gonna be trying out the new KS wheel here we got with the sim setup here. Basically last race we finished up the NASCAR, basically stock car race, whatever they call it in the game. So we did that. That's just basic oval racing, basic. This is gonna be F1 style, so we're gonna give it a shot. I gave it a shot already once, which I don't know if I'll upload that video, which maybe this be day 14, or this might be day 14 video, maybe, possibly. I'm not quite sure, or maybe this may be day 15. I don't know. I'll have to put it in the video. I gotta start marking them in the video, so like it's like whatever I say. Because like I said, right now if I can make a couple videos in one day, I want to make videos in one day just in case weekends get messed up with me. But yeah, so let's head into the game. Let's get into it. PC work is happening right now. If you haven't seen last videos, we're having some PC issues. Look back a little bit, or we're gonna do a whole video on the PCs going on and stuff. But right now we're gonna hop into racing. Alright, so I got this all set into Formula 1 mode. Alright guys, so we're in this session now. Now, as I said before, the game crashed a little bit. I'm going to decrease the amount of AI we have in the game, because I think that might have been the reason. So I'm going to put it down to 6, because this is a big map we're going to be going on. Actually, you know what? Sadly, I want to race more people, but sadly, since we're doing less people, we're going to put it in hot shoes. We're going to put it in hot shoes. Alright, save, yes. So, this is going to be a Formula 1 league. Basic car, I haven't paid for any of the cars yet. So we got 5 tracks here. Now every video we're going to do is just going to be a nice, being a nice league here. So, first we're going to start with Lime Rock this video. The next video we're going to be going to WeatherTech Raceway at Legend Saka, whatever that's called. Alright guys, so we're at 22 frames per second. So we're going to see if this can even handle it. Last time I tried this was not good. Alright, let's give it a shot. Alright. Oh. Brakes are very touchy in these things. Alright. That's why we have practice here. Alright, let's give it a shot. These are very low too. Ooh, we need to warm up the tires a little bit. Get out there a little bit. Okay, we're not doing too bad, I don't think. Oh boy, oh boy, we broke a wheel. We broke a wheel big time. Oh, look at that wheel. That wheel is just... Oh. Alright, hold on, I'll come back. We're gonna get into qualifying now. See what we can do, guys. Alright, let's see what we can do. Oh, I almost overshot this again. I wasn't paying attention. Alright, let's see. Tires are really cold still. I hear ya. Oh, I forgot to hit the shifter though. Alright, I didn't spin out this time. That was my goal. but not there though. Oh, maybe that's what I'm doing wrong. That's what I'm doing wrong. That's what I'm doing wrong.
Everyone's gridded.
Alright, let's get into this, guys. Let's get into this. Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Green flag, green flag.
Alright, let's see. I love these little path shifters. I love these little things.
Right side. Okay, on the left. Clear.
Alright, I let him through because I wasn't going to cause an accident again. Not like in practice. I'll take him up over here anyways. These guys can't really take these turns very well. Oh, they can at least. No, I can.
Left side. Stay on the right. Clear.
Alright, over I go.
Left side. Still there. Clear.
It's okay, I got it in front of him. I know what I'm doing a little bit. Not fully, but I know what I'm doing a little bit. I'm not getting in front of somebody. This is the only thing that I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Jesus Christ. That's the only thing I can't do right in this game. Only thing I can't do. Oh. For whatever reason, I cannot hit this turn. I don't know why. Just that turn. Just that turn. It's just that turn. Come on, okay, I'm gonna fluster myself now because I flustered myself. I flustered myself. I flustered. I sat there thinking too much about that turn. Alright, let's try to see if we can. Let's just try to beat our time, guys. I think that's our main thing right now. Let's get used to this turn. Let's get used to that turn first of all, and then. That's what it is. I'm holding the brake too much. I think I'm holding the brake in way too much. Oh shit, that time I just fucked up on that. Come on, I had a... Why is it...
One, just at the front of the lap. 56.258.
It's hard. My arch enemy's coming up. The arch enemy.
Just set your fastest lap of the session.
I was supposed to spin out right there because you can't spin out there very easily. Oh shit, oh shit, oh come on, I was gonna have a really good time in that one. Alright, we lost a lot of seconds in that, but... We lost some seconds on that one last thing I did there. Alright, let's just practice this thing up here. Oh shit, on the grass, I went wrong. That wasn't even fast as last. See, look, I would probably went below a minute. Oh, but now I'm not going below a minute because of this. Jeez. Alright. Oh, what the hell did I hit? Oh. Alright, well, hopefully no race. Alright. I hope I haven't done it. Oh, shit. Alright, watch out. Hey, pedestrian coming through. Alright, let's see if we can keep up with these guys. This is the fastest guys around here. This is the leader. So if I can keep up with him, at least I know that I'm not that slow. I just gotta figure out that one turn. See, I'm not that slow. I just gotta figure out this freaking corner up here. What the hell did that time? What's my best lap hour now? Come on! I literally do this. Oh, this corner's gonna be death for me. That corner's gonna be death for me, guys. I swear it is. Listen, I'm getting pretty good times, actually, compared, like, you know, for actually. Because if I get that turn perfectly, I'll be on spot with the leader right now. If I just remember to shift my car. Around this mile per hour. was the fastest lap. Yeah, a minute exactly. Come on. 1:00, really? Alright, we got clear over here. Oh, this is one spot we need to really hit this part. Alright, leaders are back in front of us. Yay!
The car in P1 just hit the fastest lap. 55.953. Car on your left.
On my left? Where's the part on my left besides the one in front of me? Unless that's the one you're talking about. You asshat. Listen guys, I did that on purpose a little bit there, and I was just kind of done. Alright.
Your car has too much damage. We've got to fix it.
Well, we really gotta fix it, huh? Well, listen, I'll be honest with you. I'm gonna fix you guys. Bunch of crashed. Alright guys, well listen, I apparently suck at F1 racing. Well, actually, I actually don't do too bad. It's just that one turn that gets me every time. I'm just getting tired. It's freaking 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm just tired. So, I won't blame on tiredness, but we're gonna give it another shot tomorrow. I'm actually just gonna forfeit the race right here and just say, we're done. That's it. Until next time. So, listen guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, do your 6 dreams, don't let it get in your way. Stay Maverick. I'll see you guys next one.